Hi guys, this is attr. In this jQuery tutorial we are going to be looking at the attribute selector. So let's make sure we've got our scripts included in our page and then we can begin. So I've included an input element in our page of a type of button, and I'm just going to quickly explain what attributes are. So value is an attribute for the input element, and button is the value button is the value for the attribute, and same with type and button for type. So we're going to be alerting out the value of the input, so we're basically alerting out a button, but we're going to be learning how to select the attribute value. So you can quickly type that out if you pause the video, or just follow it without typing anything. It's your choice. So let's go into our JS library, wait for the document to be ready, as I've put there, and then let's alert out. So as you're going to create a variable, so var input underscore attr, which is attribute, equals, so now we're selecting it, so dollar brackets, inside the bracket let's select our, what was it, input. Yep, so let's select our input, and then dot attr, so that means attribute, then two brackets, and inside the brackets we select which attribute, so it's going to be value. So here we've selected input and we've selected the attribute value, and now we're going to alert that out, so alert, and let's just stick that variable in there. So now I'll save that and I'll quickly run it in Firefox. So the value of the button is button, and we selected the value of the button and it's alerted that button. I'll give you another example. We can use our own custom attribute, so I'll just put let's just add an attribute called button underscore name equals let's just put button 1, and then go to our JS library, and then we just put in here button underscore name, and let's go back into our index and run that, and it's giving us the button underscore name attribute value. We can also set attributes by using the attribute selector. So if I go into our JS library, I'll just get rid of the alert, and I'll just run index quickly. So as you can see, the button's value is button, but if we click it, we want to change the button's value to you have clicked. So I'll just add that in JS library, so I'll just add the click event to it, so input. Now we haven't got any other input elements on our page, so I can just put input dot click. And I'm just going to copy this here and then get rid of all this. I'm going to stick it in there. So when we selected the button name, but I'm going to change that to value right here. So we're going to change the value to you have clicked. So all we do after the value, we just put a comma and then say the value of the attribute you want to put. So I'm going to put you have clicked. So when we click the input type of button or the input, it will change the value of it to you have clicked, or the value attribute to you have clicked. So let's go and try that out. Click it and it changes the attribute. So that is how to use the attribute selector and how to use it, etc. Thank you very much. Be right.